Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to recover your TrustWallet account's password or your recovery phrase on TrustWallet. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. First, let's go open TrustWallet application. Simply click on the TrustWallet application, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you don't have a wallet yet, you can click on create a new wallet and start, but if you'd like to log into your account, you'll need to click on I already have a wallet. On the next page, go and click on Multicoin wallet option at the top. Now, whenever you are trying to log into your account, you'll need to enter a recovery of phrases which works as a password on TrustWallet. In case you've forgotten your phrases, you'll need to understand that if you lose your recovery words, you won't be able to access your wallet. You'll need to create a new wallet altogether. So in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can click open any other devices of yours where you are logged into your TrustWallet application, and you'll be easily able to recover your phrases. Since there's no other way to recover a lost recovery phrase, what you can do is you can go ahead and perform a backup. Open up your TrustWallet on any devices where you are already logged into your account. Once you're on your TrustWallet account, you'll be able to see lots of options displayed at the bottom of the screen from your home page. Go to Settings at the bottom right and go to Wallets option at the top. You'll be able to see your wallets displayed on the screen. Simply go and click on the three dots at the right corner. Now, in order to recover your recovery phrases, you can go ahead and click on the Show Recovery Phrases on one of your devices. It says that if you lose access to this device, your funds will be lost unless you back up. So it's a very good idea to back up your recovery phrases. Click on Show Recovery Phrase, click on I understand the risk, and click on Continue, and you'll be able to see your recovery phrases in this page. In order to back up, click on the Copy option and copy your recovery phrases, paste it somewhere else safe. Because next time you log in, you'll need to enter your recovery phrase in the login page. You can also click on Show QR and save this QR code somewhere safe, since this QR code contains your recovery phrase. Once you back up your recovery phrases, you'll be able to easily log into your account without any kind of a problem. If you don't remember your recovery phrase at all, then you'll need to create a new wallet on TrustWallet altogether, and you'll lose all the funds. So make sure to back up your recovery phrases and store it somewhere safe. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.